Did you know that over 50% of people take health supplements, but many are misinformed about their benefits and risks? Hey there, health enthusiasts! I'm your guide today on a journey through the jungle of health supplement myths. Yes, today we're busting the top 5 myths that you might actually believe about dietary supplements. First up, myth number 1, more is better. It's easy to think that if some is good, more must be better, right? Wrong. Taking more than the recommended dose of any supplement can lead to serious side effects. Always stick to the recommended dosages, folks. Your body will thank you. Moving on to myth number 2. Supplements are just as effective as medication. Here's the scoop. While supplements can support health, they are not substitutes for prescription medications. Always consult with a healthcare provider before swapping any prescribed meds with supplements. Okay, myth number 3. Natural means safe. Just because a supplement is labeled natural does not guarantee it's safe for everyone. Natural supplements can still interact with medications and can have potent effects. Always do your research or talk to a doctor, especially if you're on other medications. Next up, myth number 4. Supplements are always necessary for a healthy diet. While it's tempting to think we need supplements to be healthy, most people can get their nutrients from a balanced diet. Supplements are helpful in certain cases, like vitamin deficiencies, but they aren't mandatory for everyone. And finally, myth number 5. All supplements are FDA approved. Here's a crucial point. The FDA does not approve dietary supplements before they hit the market. It's up to the manufacturers to ensure their products are safe and truthful in their labeling. Always choose supplements from reputable sources. There you have it, 5 common myths debunked. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more myths uncovered and truths revealed. Have any questions or another myth you're curious about? Drop a comment below. And hey, don't be a stranger. Follow us on our social media and visit our website for more insightful wellness journeys. Until next time, stay curious and healthy.